What's up everybody, Sandy Edwards here from CryptoComparer.com, bringing you another cryptocurrency video. So our video yesterday we talked about the Tron Fishing Master game. Really addictive game. I think when we looked at it yesterday it was around about 26 million in volume. If we have a quick look at the Dapp review, because the Dapp radar figures are screwed up, you can see that getting around about the same players at the moment, about 1588 players. But the volume is increasing on this game now, just shy of 34 million Tron in 24 hours, which is brilliant. So if we go back, you can see at the minute I've been mining 3 screens at 200 cast. I'll just switch this back on just to show you what I'm doing. So yep, so we've been mining 3 windows, basically 3 rods out fishing, and you can see from yesterday's video that I have got quite a lot more fish. The dividends compared to yesterday at the moment do seem a bit quiet. There are about 5.5 hours left roughly before the dividend payout. You can see this is I think it's a Chinese game, so it's roughly 3 o'clock in the morning there now. It's about 2 o'clock in America at the time of this video, and it's 7 in the UK, so it is lagging a bit. But hopefully I can show you the stats and show you my dividend payments. While waiting for that to load up, a lot of people have asked us about how they actually get Tron into the wallet, how they can add Tron onto the network, how they can add the Tron games. So those of you familiar with cryptocurrency, it is quite easy. There is a bit of a learning curve like all cryptocurrencies, but you can see the easiest way is to go to Google, and you need either a Tron Pay wallet, and you just use Google Chrome. I'll put a link in the description below, and it gives you a little link here, like a plugin extension. It should load my balance. There you go. So you can see I've got roughly 3,600 at the moment. Obviously I'm playing the fishing games as well, so it's a bit slow. Or you can get a Tron Link wallet, which obviously links all your Tron wallets together, and that shows there. So a lot of people have talked about bandwidth and energy. So when you get a new Tron wallet, you automatically get 5,000 bandwidth. Bandwidth is used obviously as you're using Tron and as you're using the network, and energy is more used for fees. Think GUI gas for Ethereum. If you don't use it, or you're not using it as often, then the bandwidth will regenerate. However, I do suggest freezing some Tron into bandwidth and energy. I'll discuss that in future videos, but basically if I load it up, you go to Tron Pay, and then basically you load your wallet up through your account. You need to log in with your private key, so obviously I'm not going to do this on this video. Obviously you can check my address out. It's just one of many addresses. There's not much in it. It's what I use for mining. I think my computer's slowing down because I'm mining a lot of fish. But you can see here, so you come to here, you go to your wallet and you go to Tron Power. And you can see, obviously this is pulling a different wallet. This is pulling the wallet from Tron Link. But you have the 5,000 bandwidth here, and what you do is you go down to freeze, you click on freeze and you click OK. Obviously there's nothing in this wallet, and then it'll ask you to freeze a certain amount of Tron. You don't need that much, to be honest. If you want to save Tron, then you can freeze so much each day, and you can use it for upvotes and super representatives and such. Again, we'll discuss that in future videos, but you probably need about 500 Tron, if that. I have 2,000 on the other one, 1,000 energy and 1,000 bandwidth. That's more than enough. I can do 4 tabs at once. So we go back to the Fishing Master. You can see as hopefully it loads up now. There you go. So obviously since yesterday's video, there's now 1.2 million frozen fish. The dividends are a bit poor today, to be honest. It normally gets to around 1 million in divs. It may be just more winners. I really don't know at this stage. There's 5.5 hours left. You can see I've got 8,367. The plan is to mine up to 10,000. If we look at our dividend history, you can see that on the first was 2,250. Yesterday was 4,100. 152. I reckon we should get, hopefully, touch wood, around about 8,000, maybe 10,000 Tron if it's still the same. Just to give you example of how much we're making per day through mining the fish. If we go over to cryptocomparer.com, if you've not checked out our website, please do so. This website is basically the ultimate comparison site for all things crypto. There are different sections that we need to add. We're fully aware of what we need to put on the site and what we don't, but obviously we welcome any feedback, good or bad. But basically, you go to the currencies page, and this gives you everything in a breakdown and more. Basically, it pulls APIs from CoinMarketCap and other sites as well. And it's obviously, it is fully responsive, you can see on the mobile. Obviously, the computer's lagging because I'm mining. So if we find Tron, you can obviously find it through here, or you can tab it in here and it'll find any currency you want. We just launch the screen. So the good thing about this, I mean, it took a lot of setting up, but the good thing about our currency section on cryptocomparer.com is we do show the live trading feeds, which we pull from APIs. We show the 24-hour volume, we show total volume, available supply, the rank, market cap. We have interactive charts as well, showing the pages. You can go back through any day you want. So you can look at the year, look at the last month, look at the last 7 days. You can buy it. You can buy Tron as well. It uses Binance mostly. But you can see, if we just have a look at that, RAM on the computer seems to be playing up, can't handle all this fishing I'm doing. Yep, so basically my first dividend payout was around $54, and the second dividend payout that I got yesterday was just short of $100. This is every single day. Like you say, we have been mining. I've just froze up a few more coins there. I've just come off and put the casting back on. Yeah, really good game. You can see I've won a bit now, and obviously I have money coming in from dividends and stuff from different sites as well. I just use this one for mining. Other games as well. So I'm playing on Fishing Contest, Fishing Master at the moment, and another one that I'm involved in is Tron Vegas. So Tron Vegas is a bit like Tron Bet. They've only got a small game. This come out that really did go well when it first launched. It's had problems for about 4 or 5 days. They're running an incentive at the moment where they will put 500,000 Tron into the dividend pool every single day till the 4th of January. And then on the 5th of January, they're going to be putting 25% across all 4 days. So you can see this has brought a few of the players back, and a lot of the miners. You can see the number one on the daily leaderboard has wagered nearly 21 million, or over 21 million Tron. So yeah, if you want to play the Fishing Master game, or you want to have a little go at Tron Vegas, there's links in the description below. If you've not already done so, please check out Crypto Comparer. Obviously, we're trying to build it as a community, as a kind of a really easy site to navigate around. It's got information about the different sites, all the information again within the currency section for all different dApps, historical links and historical prices. Going back to getting Tron, obviously by this time you would have downloaded your Tron wallet or your Tron link. Easiest way is basically to, let's just move this out of the way. Easiest way basically is to go on to, say, the likes of Binance, or use Coinbase or something. Obviously change fiat into Bitcoin or Ethereum or Litecoin, transfer that over onto the exchange such as Binance. Obviously purchase Tron where it's at the low if you can buy the dips, and obviously then send Tron from Binance to your wallet. And then obviously once you've got money in your Tron wallet or your Tron Link wallet, you can then just obviously play all the games to your heart's content. And then vice versa, if you want to take your dividends back out, you would just send them from here back to Binance, Binance to Bitcoin or Ethereum, Ethereum to, say, a Wirex account, a Coinbase, and obviously back into fiat currency as well. So yeah, if you've enjoyed this video, and you've not already subscribed, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, click on the bell for post notifications, and until next time, goodbye.